I'm gonna take the last shot to the bottle. I'm gonna lay down and shoot it. It's been leaking, so
yeah.
I'm gonna go shoot it. Ready?
You got the bottle. You got it, dude. Yep. Yep, you broke it, dude.
Okay.
Yep, look at it.
Oh, shoot!
See?
And I thought I didn't break it.
Yeah, because look at 1, 2, 3, 4 of mine. That's yours right there. You broke it. Broke
And
it.
yep, we broke it.
Look at it. It's right there. Pieces. Look at the pallet.
Yeah, that's the pellet. And it broke. Oh, and then show them the things in the wall.
Probably there.
Yeah. Those are the pellets and the BBs inside the wood.